Hey everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan. If you are running lead generation campaign and using Calendly to book consultation, strategy call, demos or sales appointment, then today's videos is for you. One of the biggest problem I see with business is that they think their tracking is working perfectly. Someone click a Facebook ads, book a meeting through Calendly, and they assume Facebook, Google Ads, and GA4 are all receiving that conversion correctly. Unfortunately, that's not always the case because if ISO updates, browser restrictions, and ad blockers and cookie limitations, many bookings never makes it back to advertising platforms. And when that's happened, your campaign start optimizing on incomplete data. Today, I am going to show you how to build a professional Calendly booking tracking setup using both browser tracking and server tracking. And by the end of this video, you will understand how to send accurate booking data to GA4, Facebook Conversion API, and Google Ads. Let's jump right into it. Now let's understand this difference between browser side and server side tracking. Traditionally, browsers tracking working like this. This user browse send information directly to Facebook, Google Analytics, or GA4. This method is simple but has several limitations. Ad blocker can stop request, Safari can restrict cookie, privacy feature can remove tracking signal, JavaScript can fail. As a result, you lose valuable conversion data. Server side tracking introduce an additional layer. Instead of sending everything directly from the browser to these platforms, this browser first sends data to your server. The server then process and forward the data. This significantly improves reliability and helps recover data that might otherwise be lost. This is my Google Tag Manager web container account, and this one is server container. I already created for Calendly browser and server side tracking. First of all, we will set up. Now let's talk about Facebook. Really is heavy on conversion signals to optimize campaign. If Facebook does not receive enough conversions data, campaign performance can suffer. That's why we implemented both browser events and server events. This browser events, browser sends a lead event through the Facebook pixel. At the same time, server sends another lead events through Facebook Conversion API. This gives Facebook a much more complete picture of what's happening. So now let's get started. First of all, I need to set up a listener code for Calendly. Now I need to click on new, then again click on here and find out custom. Now I need to copy custom listener code for Calendly. So I will copy this and again need to click here and triggering all pages. Then again click on save. This one is custom HTML for Calendly. I will type here custom HTML Calendly tracking. Then click on save. Now need to click here preview button. So our Calendly events perfectly working or not, I need to check it. Now I will paste here my website URL for Calendly. This one is my Calendly from. So now I will booking a schedule. So then click on next. Then I will type here name and test. Then I will schedule. Then if I go back again, Google Tag Assistant, you will see this event. This event's information is here. So now if I check it, we will understand this one is event schedule event. So I will create. Now I need to create a variables. So first of all, I need to go back again Google Tag Manager web container. Then again click to variables. I need to find out data layer variables. So need to click here and again and paste here. Now I need to give a name this event and again click on save. Now I need to again click on triggering. Again click on here. Then find out custom event. Now I need to paste here. Now I need to make it triggering. Must be Calendly. So again back to paste here Calendly. Now I need to type here trigger name. Trigger name must be Calendly. Then again click on save. Now I will preview here anything our data is perfectly working or not working. I need to check it. Before we check it, we will set up for Facebook Pixel Conversion API. So now I need to click here, then find out Meta Pixel. So I will type here discover more tag types in the community template gallery. Then again need to click here and search here Meta. So I need to edit this one Meta Pixel. Then again click on add to workspace. Then I can click add. Now I need a Meta Pixel ID. So I need to go back again event manager. I already created event manager for calendar from tracking. So I will copy this dataset ID. So I go back again my Google Tag Manager or container. Then paste here my Meta Pixel ID. Now I need to select events. Events name is custom Calendly, because this one is custom events, not standard event. So I will type here Calendly. Now we'll paste here Calendly. This one is Calendly. Then underscore. Then I need to select variables. This one is the variable. So now I need to send a event ID for event notifications. Now again click on here, then find out events ID. This one is the events ID. If you are not find this events ID, you need to add it from community variables gallery. Now I need to triggering. Triggering must be this Calendly custom events. Then I need to send metapixel Calendly tracking. Now I need to click save. This one is for metapixel. Now I need to send for GA4. So first of all, I need to click here for Google tag. So I need a tag ID. So I need to go my Google Analytics for account. This is my Google Analytics account. Now I need to click admin sections. Then again click on data stream. Now I need to copy my measurement ID for Google tag. So I will copy this measurement ID. Then go back again here. Then I will paste here measurement ID. Now I need to send some information. Send container URL. I need a server URL. I already created a server custom subdomain. So I need to copy this. Then paste here. Now here we can send page view. Then we can type here. No need to send page view here. So I will type here false. No need to send anything. So now I save this. Type a name here. Then click on save. You can give any names here. This one is no matter. Now I need to send for GA4. Once a GTM capture this booking, we send this event Google Analytics. Now I need to click here for GA4 events. So I need to select this GA4 events. Now I need to paste here measurement ID. So I will copy this ID, then paste here. Now need to type here events name. Event name is Calendly. So we can paste here Calendly. So I already copy this Calendly underscore. So I will send this. This one is Calendly events. So no need to send anything. We can send events ID. So we'll type event underscore ID. Then we can select this event ID. This one is event ID. Then triggering. Triggering must be Calendly. Then we can save this. So here you will see that Calendly tag or meta, and another one is GA4. We can check it's working or not. So we can preview it, then go back again this from. Now we can submit this from, then type every names, type here test, and then even schedule event. If you see back again tag assistant, you will see that all of this tag already fired. So our event is perfectly okay. If you back again Google Analytics, you will see that all of this event information is here. So our informations, everything is okay. So our setup is okay. Now I need to set up for server side. So go back again server container, then need to click on new, then again click here, then need to select GA4 events. Now I need to paste here GA4 ID. So go back again here, then find out data stream, then again click here, then copy this measurement ID, then paste here. No need to do anything here. So now need to triggering. So again click here, then select customs, then some events. Now I need to source this variables. Variables must be here client name. Now we'll type here GA4. It's needed for GA4. Then click on save. Now we can save this event. Now I need to send for server side for meta. So I need to click here discover more tag types in the community template gallery. Then search here Facebook. We will find the required tag template. This one is the required tag template. Then we can add workspace. Now I paste here our metapixel ID. So I need to go back again our meta event manager. Then we'll paste here pixel ID, then access token. Now I need to scroll down, then I need to select this, then generate access token. I will copy this access token, then paste here. Now I need a test event ID. So where I find out test event, if I click on test event, then website, then you will find this test event code. Then you can paste here event code. Now I need to triggering. We can send this, it's up to you. Now I need to triggering. So now I need to click on here, then find out events name. So here we don't find event ID. So I need to choose in the variables. This name is event ID. Now I need to select match reject. Now I will here paste Calendly. So I already copy this Calendly. So then we can save. This one is for Meta. Then we can save this. Now we can save our GA4 and Meta Pixel browser and server side setup done. Now I need to set up for Google Ads. So first of all, I need to go Google Ads. Then need to click on goals. Then again summary. You will see this interface. This one is loading. Need to sometimes and scroll down. Need to create a conversions. Now we can uncheck this. Then we can select this and data source. I will remove this store. Now I will paste here my website URL. So I will copy my website URL. Then paste here. Then again click on scan. This website is scanning. Need to sometimes. So here you will see that not installed Google tags. So I need to set up Google tags for Google Ads. So we can click on setup. Now we can copy from here automatically. This one is for installed details. Now I need to send manually. So I need to copy this Google tag ID. So go back again my Google tag manager or container. Then again click on new. Then find out Google Ads. Then find out Google tag. Now I will paste here Google tag ID. Now I need to send my server URL. So I will type here send container URL. So I need to copy my server custom domain URL for server side tracking. So can paste here server URL. No need to send anything. Everything is okay. So I will save this Google Ads. You can type any name here. Then again click on save. Now I need to set up events for Google tag. So I need to test installations. This one is testing. So here you will see that Google tag is not detects. Try again and email instructions. So it will be need sometimes for setup perfectly. So I will skip here. So then I can done here. Now need to click here save and continue. Now I need to set up lead form events. Then can select manually coding. Now I need to select this event from lead from Calendly. I will type any name here. Then we can scroll down. Now here we can select Google tag. Now select how many conversion to count per click on interactions. So here you will see that if you select every recommended for purchase, because every process is valuable. So I need to select on one recommended for lead signups and others conversion, because only the first interaction is valuable. So I need to select this one. So everything is okay. Now I need to click on done. Now I need to click save and continue. Then you will use here set up this Google tags. I already set up Google tags. No problems. Need to set up here. We can use Google tag. So first of all, I need to copy this conversion ID for lead event. Before we set up conversions events, first of all, we need to set up conversion linker tags. So I need to go back again Google Analytics 4, then again click on new, then find out Google Ads. Now I need to click on conversion linkers. So everything is okay. Now I need to triggerings for all pages, then need to click save. Now I need to set up for lead events. So again click on Google Ads. You will find here, then need to select ads conversion tagging. Now I need to paste here conversion ID. So I already copied this conversion ID. So you will see that Google tag found is this container. So now need to back again Google Analytics, Google Ads account, then need to copy this conversion ID. So I need to copy this. Then again go back again Google Tag Manager, then paste here conversion level. No need to send anything. You can type here manually your currency code. So this one is not required for lead events. So I need to triggering must be trigger Calendly. Then I need to save for Calendly events. So this one is for browser side for Google Ads. Now I need to set up server side tracking for Google Ads. So I need to go back again Google Tag Manager server container, then need to click on new, then find out Google Ads. Now I need to set up first conversion linker. So this one is for all pages, then click on save. Now I need to set up for Google Ads lead events. So need to click conversion tracking. Now I need conversion ID. So I need to copy again conversion ID. This one is the conversion ID. Now I need to paste here conversion ID. Now I need to send in level. This one is the conversion level. Then I can send here. No need to change anything here. Now I need to triggering must be this Calendly events. So I can save this. Now I need to review everything is working or not. I need to check it. So first of all, I will review Google Tag Manager web container, then I need to preview Google Tag Manager server container. Need some times for event tracking. So this form is loading Calendly. Now we can book a schedule event. We can send, then click on event, confirm event. Then if you see that here, all of this tag already fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. I already check it from Google Analytics 4. You will see that all of this event information is here. So if I check again here, you will see that our schedule event, everything is here. Now, if we check it from Google Ads, you will see here some things like this. Here is the misconfigured. So what's wrong? So I need to check it. If I click here, you will see that our status is inactive. Here we have not verified your tag yet, which usually takes up to 3 hours after someone visit your page containing this text. To help speed up with this, you can visit this page triggers the tag. So it will take 3 hours. So don't worry about it. After some time later, if we check again our meta event manager, you will see that all of these tag events already deduplicated and events parameters already from browser and server. So our setup is perfectly okay. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Analyst Sultan. If you have any questions about server-side tracking, Facebook conversion API, Google Ads tracking, or GA4 implementations, leave a comment below. I will do my best to help. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.